Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Here we have Chevy Silverado. (2014). In this car here, we have a problem with transmission. I don't know what causing the problem, but we know for sure that transmission was being replaced. I programmed this car and he drove it good, and then suddenly there is something that is not okay. So for me, it is better to run a diagnostic as usual. So I'm gonna come here, I go to car, auto detect, and I will connect to the car. So stay with us. So I'm running into the diagnosis now. This is the car, just to tell you what it is. I'm decoding the VIN number. Let me turn the key off. Ignition on. Silverado 2014, 5.3 liter. I would say yes. It may ask you a couple of questions, but I just want to go specifically to the engine and transmission to see what is there and what causing the issue, or the result of the diagnostic. I'm gonna go to 10. Honestly, I'm not sure, and I cannot go through what exactly, but I'm gonna go to diagnose, and I will go to control unit. I will go to engine first to see what requirement there or what is wrong. ECU information, I want to know what the ECU information and everything is okay, and I'm communicating with it. Calibration history, identification number. This is the VIN number and all the identification, 264281, and keep going. Base part number, software identifier. So now we're gonna go back to transmission. I did not check anything in the engine, but let me see the trouble code. Display DTC. Lost communication with the ECM. There is no communication between engine, transmission, and pass and fail mill statue requested. Okay, go back, escape this door. Can I clear it? No, this is since it's clear. What code is there? Oh, let me see, cancel. Okay. There's a lot of code here. This is history maybe. Lost communication with the PCM. Clear DTC. Those, I don't know what it is, but diagnostic test started since DTC cleared. Okay, I'm gonna go back now. Engine control module. Trouble code, maybe request still lost communication with the transmission control module. So we know from here that there is a problem between the transmission control module and the engine control module, and this problem, it could be wire, or it could be the module itself is no good from the transmission. I am able to see the transmission. It could be wiring, but maybe the communication between engine and the transmission is being disturbed. That's the only thing. If I go to the transmission control module by itself, if I want to see the ECU information, module information is there. Everything is there. So it look like could be wiring issue. It could be anything. So before you go crazy, what we need to do in this case? In this case, the easiest thing, trouble code, display DTC. I usually plug. Let me clear it. Never clear. It never clear. U0100. So what is the easiest thing to do is to go and if you have another module, just regular module, connect it. Even if it's not from the same car, you will not get this code on it. So it could be the wiring harness. As I say, it could be the module itself is no good. They are not talking to each other. Yes. So what you need to do, if you have another module, even from another car, plug it in and see if this code can go. If the code go away, that means you need a computer control module inside. If it's still there, so mean you have to work on wiring and communication, can high, can low. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. And thank you for your support.